Welcome to another Python tutorial on EdNight. In case you've not liked and subscribed to our YouTube channel, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So today we are going to be talking about string. I know from our previous tutorial when we talked about data type, we also talked about string. But today we are going to be taking string as a full topic. We are going to explain everything we need to know about string in relation to Python. So from our previous video, we already know that string is a sequence of character that is enclosed in quotes. Now this is another definition. A string is a series of character enclosed into quotes. So a string is any character, any combination of character or any group of character that is enclosed with quotes. This quote could be a single quote or a double quote. We already know that strings can be concatenated from our last tutorial, where we can add two strings together, or rather combine two strings together using the plus operator. We can also append strings. We are going to see a practical representation or a practical aspect of this in a bit, but first let's explain everything we are going to talk about in this lecture. So let's move to the next slide. We know that strings can be converted, the numbers can be converted into strings, or any other data type can be converted into strings. So we're also going to see a practical representation of this. And another thing I want you to know is that string doesn't have to be a single line thing. We can also have a multiple line string. How we can make a multiple line string is by adding three quotes. This will tell our interpreter that we want a multiple line string where we can actually jump to other lines. For example, this could be a single quote or a double quote, but it must be up to 3 if you want to use the multiple line string. So now there are some built-in method or reserved word, as we know, that work specifically for string, that can be used to work with string. So we are going to be looking at just a few. We are not going to talk about all of them because of the time and everything, but I'm going to drop you link to documentation or to resource where you can learn more about string and the methods that you can use in it. So we're going to be learning about few built-in methods that we can use when working with string. So we are going to be talking about irritating over string, meaning going from the index. So let's just go to a practical representation of everything we are going to do today. So for that, I'll open my Visual Studio Code. So I've already created a file with my file extension. So the first thing that I will need to do is to actually create a string. So I'm going to create a variable, my name. For now, let me just create a variable, my name. So we're making errors, my name. So to make a string, as I told you, it must be enclosed. You must have this quotes, these inverted commas. So as you guys already know, my name is Emmanuel, so let me just add that, Emmanuel. So as we were saying that strings can be concatenated, so this is the way we make a string, as you know. So we can concatenate strings. So let's kind of print something, meaning that we can combine two strings together. So my name is, so I can use the plus operator to add two strings. Maybe I want to add my name. So when I save this and run it, I should get my name is Emmanuel. So as we say, we can also append string. For example, I can come here and be like, my name, with the combination of the plus operator and the assignment operator. I can add, maybe I don't want to use only Emmanuel now. I want to use something like Frederick Emmanuel, something like Emmanuel Frederick or something like that. So when I save this, you will see the new value of my name will become Emmanuel Frederick, I can add a space here. Remember, everything inside the quote is a string, even the space is also a string. So we have my name is Emmanuel Frederick. So we talked about converting other data types to string. So we can have another variable here, my age. Maybe set this to 8. So I can just come and concatenate this and be like, and I am, so I want to concatenate this 8 into this, like tell them I am 8 years old. But remember one thing, we cannot concatenate numbers, we can only concatenate strings. So we need to convert this integer to a string. So to do that, we already know how we can do this using the str class construct. We can convert from any data type to a string. My name is Emmanuel Frederick and I am 8 years old. So let's save this and see what we have. So we see my name is Emmanuel Frederick and I am 8 years old. So we can like add space here and also add space here. So add space here. So we have it normal now. So we've talked about how we can append to a string, how we can concatenate string, how we can convert from other data types to a string. So let's look at some reserved words that we can use when working with string, or rather some built-in function that come with string. So as I told you, we are only going to be looking into a few, not all of them, because there are many. But I'm going to be sending you like a link to, like, go and check them. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is how to find the length of a string. For example, I want to know how long a particular string is. I can use the length, and I'll pass in the string as an argument. So let's see how long this thing is, this variable, my name. So let's count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So it's actually 17. Counting the, remember I told you that even the space is also a string. So also counting the space among, it's 17 characters. So we have 17 characters in this string. So this is how we can know how long a particular string is. So we can also use the upper. We also have another reserved word called the upper. So this upper is used to give a uppercase version of our string. So let's go upper. So let's save it and let's reload. So we are having a error.